Hey guys, Joanne here with Newegg TV. I'm here to do an overview on this Sentey Extreme Division GS-6700 Spider Plus full tower computer case. This case is made of steel with some plastic, and it measures 8.42 inches wide, 20.47 inches tall, and 21.65 inches deep. At the top here, we have your 8-in-1 card reader, and next to that, your internal temperature display LED. It has plenty of mesh grille at the front here with large honeycomb design for ventilation, and here we have your 4 5¼ inch drive bays and an internal 5¼ inch drive bay. And below that we have your pre-installed 140mm blue LED front fan. On this side we have some more ventilation holes and a pre-installed 220mm blue LED fan behind it. On the rear, we have another pre-installed 120mm blue LED fan, and they've already routed through your 2 USB 3.0 pass-throughs through these rubber grommets. Here is the knockout for your input-output shield for your motherboard, 7 expansion slots, some more ventilation holes, and a bottom power supply mount. Here's a look at the right side of the case. Just going to take off these thumb screws and press on this latch here to release. Inside, we have a cutout for your aftermarket heatsink, some holes to route your cables through, and they've already included some sticky cable ties on here for you. And there's some space between the motherboard tray and your side panel so you can organize your cables. And finally, here's a Molex plug with pass-through for your front LED fan. At the top of the case, we have some more ventilation holes, and just beneath that, 2 pre-installed 120mm fans. And over here, we have your power button, reset, fan speed control knob, and over here, your 2 USB 2.0 ports, 2 USB 3, your headphone and microphone jacks. On the bottom, we have some raised feet with rubber padding to reduce vibration as well as increase airflow, and some ventilation holes over here to cool your hard drive cage, some more ventilation holes, and a removable dust filter. That is always nice to have around. And mounting points for a 120 or 140mm fan. And over here, some ventilation holes and removable dust filter for where your power supply sits. Before we take a look at the interior, here's a look at your side 220mm fan with its Molex plug and pass-through. Inside, as you can see, the case is fully painted black, and it's compatible with micro ATX, ATX, and E-ATX motherboards. Here is another look at your rear 120 with its Molex plug with pass-through and your top 2 120s. There are also mounting points for 2 140mm fans as well, and this Molex plug here powers both of your top fans. And these 2 Molex plugs, one is for power and one is for your fan speed control knob at the top of the case. Although you can plug in additional fans using the pass-throughs to use the speed control as well. And here are a bunch of your front panel connectors. We have your audio connector, your USB 2.0 connector, your various power, reset, and LED plugs here, nicely sleeved here for you so it's organized. And this is your USB header for the card reader at the front of the case. And this is your temperature probe and power for the temperature display at the front of the case. Over here, we have your 5¼ inch drive bays. It is a toolless design. Simply press on the tab here to unlock. And below that, we have your 5 drive mounts for your 3.5 inch drive. Sorry, just pushing this direction. As well as mounting points for 2.5 inch drives. And here is a useful feature. You know what? I'm just going to leave this out. You can remove the entire hard drive cage. Ta-da! And here is a look at your front 140mm fan. One last thing, you will be able to include a GPU of up to 13.4 inches. These are the accessories included in the box. We have your product warranty, user manual, and this accessory box. Let's see what's inside. We have a cleaning cloth. This is a PCI slot cover, screwdriver, 2 plastic motherboard standoffs, your motherboard speaker, and finally this bag of motherboard standoffs and drive mounting screws. Here's a demo of the case LEDs, and we have all the fans plugged into the fan controller. And just to show you, I'm going to turn this all the way down, and when you do that, the fans turn off as well. So let's turn it back up. Here we have your front LED, front fan LED, and hold on a second, your side fan LED. Here are your 2 top fans. And finally, here's a look at your rear fan. That wraps up our overview on this Sentey Extreme Division GS-6700 Spider Plus full tower computer case. I'm Joanne, and if you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe to our Newegg YouTube channel. Thanks for watching Newegg TV, and we'll see you next time.